Welcome back to the Vitamin Doctor, your trusted source for natural health solutions. Today, we're addressing a common hair concern that many of us struggle with: frizz. If you're tired of battling frizzy hair with chemical-laden products, you're in the right place. Let's understand what causes frizz. Factors such as humidity, dryness, and damage to the hair cuticle can contribute to frizz. By addressing these underlying issues with natural remedies, we can effectively manage frizz and restore hair health. First on our list is coconut oil. Coconut oil is a natural emollient that can penetrate the hair shaft, moisturizing it from within and reducing frizz. Here's how to use it. Take a small amount of coconut oil and warm it up between your palms until it liquefies. Apply the oil evenly to your hair, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes, or preferably overnight for deep conditioning. Wash your hair as usual with a gentle sulfate-free shampoo. Incorporate this treatment into your hair care routine once or twice a week for best results. Next, we have aloe vera gel. Aloe vera contains enzymes that help repair and strengthen hair, reducing frizz and promoting smoother, shinier locks. Extract fresh aloe vera gel from the leaf of an aloe vera plant. Apply the gel directly to your damp hair, focusing on the lengths and ends. Leave it on for 20-30 minutes. Rinse it out with lukewarm water. For added benefits, you can also mix aloe vera gel with your favorite conditioner or leave-in treatment. Lastly, let's talk about green tea rinse. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and can help seal the hair cuticle, reducing frizz and adding shine. Here's how to make the rinse. Brew a cup of green tea and let it cool to room temperature. Pour the cooled green tea over your clean, damp hair as a final rinse after shampooing. Leave it on for a few minutes, then rinse it out with cool water. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to natural remedies. It may take some time to see significant results, so be patient and stick to your routine. That wraps up today's video on how to tame frizzy hair naturally. I hope you found these methods helpful in achieving smoother, healthier locks. Until next time, take care of your hair and stay healthy.